Hello, fifth graders. Miss Hess here. Hey, I'm making this little video to help you navigate Mac and VIA, to help you find resources about the 13 colonies. I know you guys are studying that in your social studies unit, so I'm starting you out as if you've signed into Mac and VIA. You guys are all really good at that. And remember, if you've forgotten how, just go to the HES Learning Portal and look up the library, and it will have the directions under electronic resources about how to sign in. Okay, I just used my Google sign in. So we're going to start at databases today. And once again, we have 27 databases. And we are going to scroll all the way down and look for PebbleGo Next Social Studies. So it's quite a ways down. I won't go too fast to make everybody sick. Go slowly. Looking for PebbleGo Next. Okay, there's the first of our PebbleGo Next, but we're looking for Social Studies. It's the one with the Statue of Liberty on it. So you click Open Now. And then our next click will be the United States. It's actually 5 clicks to get into where we want to be. And then U.S. history. And then eras in U.S. history. And then finally it'll be the American colonies. And remember, as you're signing in, you can always pause my video and have your Mac and VIA open and just doing those steps. If you forget, you can just refer back to my video, just pause. So I go to American colonies, and then here we go. So it's really nice. It has all the tabs up top. You can navigate like that. It will just automatically scroll to that point. If you're looking for information about Jamestown or the original colonies, etc., right? Or you can just scroll down slowly, and I'll go back to the top. Remember that it has the read feature, which is really super nice. And also has a dictionary, some activities that you can do. You can quiz yourself after you go through a section. It's pretty cool. And then, of course, citation. So we use the citation feature when we need to give credit where credit's due. So if you're doing some kind of report about the colonies, doesn't really matter. You can choose any one of the formats. We'll just use the one on the top, APA. So what you would do would just be to highlight that and to do a right click, copy, and then you could go ahead and just paste that into a Word document or paste it into a Google slide. And then, of course, whenever you're doing, when you're citing the resources that you use for a project, you could title it Bibliography, or you could title it Resources Used. Either one would be fine. Okay, so that's how you do the citations. That's really, really nice. I found that this was the best database source in Mac and VIA. I'm going to click back. I always keep my tabs open up top. If I go back to Mac and VIA up top, you can always find some information on Britannica, right? If you go to Britannica School Edition, there's some information there on the colonies also, but I found that PebbleGo Next was the best. Okay, and then our next stop will be our links section. Okay, and I'm going to take you back into TrueFlix. It is truly wonderful. Remember, TrueFlix is a scholastic site that has a treasure chest of nonfiction books. So before I open now, I always just copy that one word, okay, and when I click Open Now, then I'll just go ahead and paste, because it's the same for username and password. Okay, and then go ahead and log in. Now, once you get into TrueFlix, it's a direct link right to the 13 colonies. If you look on the left-hand column over here, sure enough, the 13 colonies. It's not multiple clicks like in that other database, so just go ahead and click on it. And then it will list each one of those. So if you're studying a specific one, you can just go ahead and say, say you're studying about the Pennsylvania colony. Okay. It always starts out with a cool video, and then you can go ahead and get into the book. And oh my goodness, you know, there's some pretty good stuff under Explore More. It has links to other scholastic places to visit. Like if you find that you're interested in, say, oh, you get into Benjamin Franklin, okay? So you could just click on him. That's under Explore More. And there's a project idea, which is pretty cool. If you're just bored silly at home, you could do a project idea, and then it will give you some other links to look on the web. But I really think that if you start at the beginning and watch that video and read the book, between that and the Pebble Go Next about the 13 colonies, I think you will be an expert and you won't need anything else. Really good resources. Hope you find that helpful, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.